How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize or change who can see your real name on Xbox Series S and X. So you're going to need your Xbox controller for this. So what you're going to do first is you're just going to go ahead and click the Xbox button there. All right, you're going to go all the way over to Profile and System. All right, you're going to go down to Settings. And then General, you're going to go over to Online Safety and Family. Go ahead and click A. And just real quick, I'm going to put in my PIN number real quick. Okay, so once you've put in your PIN number, if you have a PIN number and you've logged in, next thing you're going to go to is Privacy and Online Safety right there. So you're just going to select that, and you're going to go down to Xbox Privacy. You're going to click that, and then you're going to go down to View Details and Customize. Click on that, and then you can go down to Profile. Click on that, and let's see here who can. And now you can customize who can see everything. So how you look, you can edit your name, who can see your real name. You can say friends. Click on that. People I choose, only me, or everyone. So I've got friends on there. And then who can share your real name with friends, or friends of friends. You can allow this or block it. I've got it allowed, but you can block that as well. You can also see other people's Xbox profile. You can block that or whatever. So yeah, so just for your name, there are other things that you can do for that, but for your name, you can edit how people see you and who can see your real name, as well as which people can share that with other people. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a like. And if you don't know how, just remember, Red knows how.